Why did you call me baby?
Not okay.
Cool.
Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are good. Today I am going to show about this reel you just saw in a preview. And guys, this is a Heart Eyes filter reel video. So let's know about that, how to get and use this filter. To get this filter, first update your Instagram and open it. And now you have to click on your profile picture and click on the camera. Go to the right side and here you will click the browse effects option and search here Eyes of Love and open the first effect video. Guys, you can permanently save this filter from here and then click on the try it option. Guys, still I am using back camera, but you have to use your front. And to make this video, when you will blink your eyes, in that time Heart Eyes filter will be appear and disappear. Okay, so to record your video you have to long press on your camera and video will be done. Okay, so guys, in this way you have to use this filter very easily.